In the world of manufacturing, managing and improving daily operations relies on accurate tracking of metrics for safety, quality, delivery, and cost, commonly known as SQDC metrics. For many years, manufacturers have relied on basic whiteboards to track these metrics and keeping their shop floor engaged. This process can, however, be difficult to manage, and it can become hard to keep the boards updated for everyone. Also, there is no way to save the data in one place, and the knowledge of action items is lost. But now the technology is advanced enough to keep things simple for easy use. Larger touchscreens are available, software is more cost-effective, and people are more accustomed to smarter devices. Cloud has made accessibility very easy. We have developed a highly user-friendly and easy-to-use software called Factory KPI, a daily improvement dashboard for SQDC with optional AI integration. It allows you to select your metrics and markups such as quality loss, near miss, and also gives you options to add day-to-day comments about action items. Our software solutions save your data that can be accessed from anywhere at any time. This helps you review the data later to see and compare performance. Factory KPI is for everyone to track the daily performance of your plant, no matter if you're a small, mid, or large manufacturer. So, visit our website and start your free trial today.